Hey guys, when I downloaded the data from one of the software, I got the data. Employee names and the respective salaries all are in the one column itself. My requirement is I want to get all the employee names in one column and salaries in another column. Toughest method, all of us are aware. You do this, copy all these employee names like this one by one, Control C and Control V and salaries. Again, this is the toughest method. No, don't do this method. Instead, I'll show you the easiest method. Shift Control down arrow, Control G, click on the special and click on the constant. So we need to select all this data, right? That names. Select only the text, remaining other checkboxes unselected. Click OK. Now do Control C, copy it, and Control V. It is pasted only the names. Now repeat the same step one more time for the numbers, nothing but salaries. Shift Control down arrow to select all the range. Control G, click on the special and this constant. Select only the checkbox called numbers, unselect other checkboxes. Click OK. Now only the salaries got selected, that numbers, take a copy of it and paste it. That's it. This is the easiest method.